Projector 2.0. Here's your host, Crystal. Thank you. Today, we are going to find the perfect match for Portia Hollander. We have 3 contestants, as you can see. Let's meet our contestants. First contestant, Prince of Morocco, Bahidini Sandish.
First of all, it's Bahidini. And I'm perfect for Portia because I own a country, beautiful country. I'm a prince and I own lots of money. I'm rich. Don't judge me based on my complexion. Back home, girls love me. They just love me. Yep, that's me.
Thank you. Irving, why are you perfect for Portia?
I think I'm perfect for Portia because, well, just in general, I think I deserve her because I think a beautiful man should go with a beautiful woman, and I think we would just be perfect for each other. It's not necessarily me being perfect, but I just think we deserve each other, basically. And, I mean, who wouldn't love my hair? So.
Thank you, Irving. And last, and possibly least, is Bassanio. Why are you perfect for Portia?
Well, I haven't really told anybody that I'm super poor yet, but I'll just pretend like I'm not and hopefully they won't notice. I think I'm perfect for Portia because she's just a wonderful, wonderful person, inside and out. She's just kind-hearted and generous and just has a beautiful personality.
Thank you, Bassanio. Alright, this contest is going to go down in 2 rounds. The first round, we will be asking questions to determine your personality. For the second round, we have asked Portia her desired answers and she will ask questions about herself. So, for the first question. If you had to choose between A, a dictionary, B, a fantasy novel, or C, a magazine, what would you choose? Bahidini.
Bahidini and C magazine because there's beautiful women on the front and it's just full of color and it just pops and it's just very entertaining.
Thank you, Bahidini. Irving of Aragon, what is your answer?
I think I would pick a fantasy novel because I think that's just one of those extravagant things in life, and I like those extravagant things. I feel like it's just something that Portia and I together could enjoy, and, well, I think it's just the more expensive option, and personally, I have the money for expensive things, and I like to spend it like that, because why would I buy a dictionary or a magazine when I could get a novel? I mean, that's clearly the better choice.
Next, Bassanio, what is your answer?
Well, I haven't actually learned how to read, so I think I'm just going to go with A because nobody picked it yet, and I want to sound good for Portia. Well, I think I'm going to go with A this time because dictionaries are smart and practical, sophisticated, just like Portia.
Okay, thank you, Bassanio. Next question is, you see a beggar on the side of the road. Do you A, help him, B, ignore him, or C, say ew and go to the other side of the road?
Bahidini and C, ew, gross. I'd walk to the other side. No, I wouldn't walk. I'd get someone to drive me to the other side of the country because, yeah, that's just nasty.
Thank you, Mine. Irving, what is your answer?
I would probably pick option B because I'm not going to waste my time on that beggar. I'm just going to ignore him and carry on with my day because why should he have to intrude onto my day? I'm not going to. Why
Thank
not?
you, Irving. And Bassanio, what is your answer?
I would pick A, and I would definitely stop and help the beggar because it's just the right thing to do. And I feel like Portia is the kind of woman that would do something like that.
Thank you, Bassanio. And our final question is, there are 3 pieces of clothing to choose from. A pair of very durable slaves' boots. B, new cloak that is very fancy and expensive. Or C, a piece of flashy jewelry. Bathroom, what is your answer?
Beheated dime. How do you mess that up? Flashy piece of jewelry. It's my culture, and I'm just drawn to flashy, shiny things. Like me.
Thank you.
Yep.
Irving, what is your answer?
I think I would pick a fur coat, probably, or just a coat in general, because I like those expensive things, and coats are kind of my thing.
Thank you, Irving. And finally, Bassanio, what is your answer?
I would choose the durable pair of boots because they're practical, durable, just like Portia.
Thank you, Bassanio. And the results are in. If you picked mostly C's, you are not a very good match for Portia. You base your decisions on outward appearance and don't care about what is on the inside. If you chose mostly B's, Irving, you think you deserve the best. You are prideful and think money is the most important thing in your life, not Portia.
The best.
If you chose mostly A's, you are the best match for Portia so far. You are humble and compassionate. Congratulations to Bassanio, you've won a hug with Portia.
What?
Now cut.
We all need a hug in the morning and one at the end of the day. And as many as possible squeezed in between to keep life's troubles at bay. It's my belief, for instant relief, a hug is the best cure of all.
Welcome back! For the second part of our contest, Portia is going to ask you a series of questions about herself. The person with the most points wins.
The first question for you is, where do I live?
Oh, I have this competition in the bag. I know everything about sweet Portia. When she goes to bed, when she wakes up, when she eats, her favorite spot to sit. I definitely got this.
Behedadine, you're first.
Beheated dime. And Italy.
Okay. Irving, where do I live?
I'm guessing a fancy estate with like lots of servants and gold and fancy gardens. Yeah, basically. Fancy stuff.
Bassanio, where do you think I live?
Portia, you live on 322 Ophelia Lane in Belmont, Italy, and you sometimes like to vacation at your summer house on an island in the Mediterranean.
That's too far.
No,
That's too far.
Okay, I think Bassanio, we can all agree that he gets the point in this round. The next question is, and this one's a really hard one, what color are my eyes? Irving?
Can you open your eyes?
There's a bird! Gonna hit you!
I'm not falling for that.
Wow.
What color are my eyes? Bassanio, we'll start with you.
Portia, I am positive that your eyes are green. The sweet green of the
Okay.
lush grass.
Behedadine?
Behedadine?
Yeah. What color do you think my eyes are?
Blue.
Irving?
Hey, I'm guessing blue. Yeah.
Okay.
Like a grayish blue. A
Oh.
stony blue. Yeah.
I will open my eyes and you will see what color they are. They're blue.
Oh,
Yeah. Irving and bathrobe both get the point. Now the last
Go.
This last question will be a true test of how well you know me. Only people who know me really well know this one. The question is, what are my parents' names? Do I need to repeat that?
Yes.
What are my parents' names? I'll give you a moment to think about it because this will make or break
You'll get
you.
this one.
I'm just gonna wing it.
Yeah, same.
Does everybody have their answers?
Yeah, sure.
I got it.
Yeah, sure.
We'll start with you, Benamina Ben.
Beheated. Never mind. Gregory and Alice.
Those are my parents.
No way.
Dude!
It might be. What about you, Irving? What do you think?
Dorotheo and Edmund. No, Edmundo.
Dude, those are my parents.
Really?
No.
Bassanio, what do you think my parents' names are?
Portia, your parents' names are Nicholas, Demetrius, Hollander, and Margaret, Helena, Andronicus.
We'll see what the answers are right after this commercial break.
Get our new Clinique Passion Pop lipstick at your local Walmart. It even comes with your very own lip liner, perfectly matched in color.
50% off at Walmart today!
The results are in. Who will win? And the winner is Bassanio! What? Congratulations, Bassanio. You won Portia.